Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ASP.NET Core, and today I'm going to show you the fourth part of shopping cart project in ASP.NET Core. So just going to the controller section and just add a new controller, and the controller name you can add that is product actually. So in this video I'm going to show you the full product details actually. So the controller name is the product controller, and just click on the add button. After that you can see I have a product controller already, so just copy and paste it, the whole code parts from the notepad to the Visual Studio code editor, and one by one I will explain the whole code. Okay, now the first one is the unit of work, underscore unit of work, actually work for the wrapping class for all the repositories. So resolve namespace by using control dot key. So private unit of work actually initialized in the constructor, as well as web host environment used for the uploading image file into the system. And the index is actually written the empty view because I used API method, HTTP GET method, to call JSON data. Okay, so in this video I'm going to add and get the JSON data. Okay, razor view, empty view. So create a empty view for the index controller, the index.cshtml file. Now after that you have to prepare your index file first of all, and I already have an index file for your product controller, so just copy and paste it here. And also I will explain the each code one by one. Here we have a bootstrap class container and the row column, and here we have a list of products and one hyperlink control with the ASP action and the controller also, and also we have a plus bootstrap icon and create a new product. Also have a table, that ID is my table, and the class is the bootstrap class, that is double border, and that product name, product description, price, category and action. But you can see that the table body is empty, and we have a product.json file and there is nothing is there. So just add a new product.json file, a product.js file, that is the JavaScript file, because by using JS or Ajax we can upload the tables. Okay, so the product.js file is there, and you can see here we have a datatable.net. Datatables.net provides the functionality of the data table, so you can easily use into your project of ASP.NET Core. So just add a CSS file as well as your JavaScript file in your layout.cshtml file. So first of all add your JavaScript file, first of all add the CSS file into your header section, that is the cdn.datatables.net, and its reference there. Okay, that's fine. And also use in closing brackets. Okay, that's fine. Yes, we were advanced version. If you want to add it here, then it's very good. And after save this, your CSS file is completely added into your header section. Now after that you have to add your JS file under the footer section. So just copy that here and paste in the footer section of your layout.cshtml file. So you can see there is a footer section, and add it here. And just before you can use the script tag where your datatable.win.js is there. So just paste it here. Okay, that's fine. And next the thing you can do to add document.ready function and under your datatable.that is there. So document.ready function my table data table actually load all the data, and if you want to make some columns into the data table, then pull getting started a guide, just click on the pull getting started a guide. You can use it here. Here you can see that the installation is there, and after that you can see your file is there. So here we have a link and the script file is also there, so just copy that file. There is datatable.css file, and paste it here. Okay, that's fine. Paste it here. That's fine. And after that you can use your JR file also in the footer section. Here we have a JR file, that is the script. And lots of things is there, so you can use it here. So just copy that file and paste under the footer section. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. Okay, there's a simple thing you can do to edit here. And the data is there. Under the data tab you can see your array is there and your column is there, so you can use this example to make the columns into the data tables. So you can use document.ready function. After that you can use a data table inside it here. Okay, and here you can use the function also. And after that you can use my table data tables. So just copy all these codes, and there is already existing, and one by one I will explain it. Okay, so just copy that code, my table.data table, and there is the product table is there, so just rename that table, that is my table, and product.js table is my table.data table. Here you can see that Ajax call, where your URL is there, admin product and all products, but the URL is changed. So change the URL first of all, that is the admin product all products is there. So first of all check your product controller where your all products is there method is existing or not, and after that name, description, price, and the category dot name is there. After that two button is there. The first button is edit and the second one button is the delete, and here we have a tweet alert is also fired. Create update action method. Actually all product is there, so just copy that function name. Under the product controller you can see all product is there, and work.product.getAll with the include properties, that is category, and that data is used to return the JSON result. Okay, so after that all products is getting all the product information as well the category information. So just name, description, price, and category name you can get it from the Ajax URL. After that we have to edit the records. So after that we can edit it. First of all, load the data in the data table. So just to make it to run it the project. Okay, so just click on the shopping cart.web project. If there is any error, yes, I got it error. Okay, product VM is not there. So first of all, create a product VM class to resolve that error, and after that we make project run. Okay, so that is the simple thing you can do into your project easily. Product VM. So in under the data project, data access layer project, just right click on the view models and add a new view model class, that is product VM. And the product VM have some properties. First of all, make just replace internal to public, and after that add, or you can just paste all the codes of the class that is already existing. So here we have a product property of the product type class. Also initialize that product with the new product class, and where we have a validate neighbor properties, data annotation is also there. So you can use Microsoft data annotations, and the select list item is the class where that package Microsoft ASP.NET Core.MVC.view features. So the namespace is rendering, ASP.NET Core.rendering namespace. So just see this, ASP.NET Core.MVC.rendering is the namespace. Okay, that's fine. After that okay, so rearrange your project code. Okay, now save this and run your project again if your problem is resolved. So just control dot and resolve namespace related to your view models, and select list is also there in the rendering, and it's resolved. So now the problem is resolved easily, and now after that you have to run your project. One by one the whole code is understanding in the later videos, but you can see the whole products is there, where include properties category, and index is empty because I get all the data from the HTTP request, that is the API call, and return the JSON data. Okay, and here we have a create update method where ID is there. If ID is 0, then go for the create. If ID is greater than 0, then go for the edit. So the single method to run both the create and edit update functions. And also we have a upload directory where your image file is there. Okay, so product image is there, and file name, that is the file.guid, etc. And the product image is the name of the directory where your www root existing is there, part.combine upload directory. And if vm.product.image URL is not null, I mean to say that we have a file, so the old image file will be deleted from the directory also. Okay, so vm.product ID is 0. So oops. So again I will complete the whole code one by one. I will explain you, but in this video actually I am going to demonstrate the few line of code. Actually delete is also there, create update. Actually create update actually is a method name where your create and update function both are for the same scenarios. Okay, so view model is there, and build again. Okay, build 3 succeeded and 0 failed, so just you have to run your project again and without any error, and you can run your project and just click on the product tab or tabs and see your product if available. If it's not available, then you have to create it. So the product is actually getting the empty data tables. So that's fine, and don't forget, please subscribe my channel if you like this video.